Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Everybody has to do dishes. So I love dishwashing detergent that is super effective and makes my life easier. So I want to show you these really great dishwasher tabs. These are from Beyond and they are awesome. So these are a tiny little plant-based tab. Check out how small these are. And these are really amazing at getting your dishes clean. So they come in this little protective film. This is not plastic. These are a zero plastic product, which I absolutely love. So this little protective film will actually dissolve in the wash. What you're left with is incredibly clean and sparkling dishes. So this tiny little tablet is a powerhouse. It really is amazing. It does an effective job at cleaning your dishes. I've really been testing them out, leaving food on my dishes, not rinsing them, really putting some really dirty dishes in the dishwasher to see what these can do, and they have done amazing. The glass comes out super clear, sparkling, there's no greasy residue. I've just been really happy with the way that these work. You can put them in your dishwasher's detergent compartment, or you can actually just pop them into the silverware rack. Either way, the dishes come out super clean and sparkling. So if you are looking for a high performance dishwasher tab that is free of fragrance, dyes, and bleach, then I would definitely check out these dish tabs from Beyond. I think they're an awesome product. I would definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.